In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent. Hello everyone, welcome to Mathematics Basic to Advanced level. In this lecture, I will solve AJK PSC 2019 MCQs, that is for log of a complex number z. We can have solution. Definition of complex logarithm. The multiple value function log z, where z is equal to x plus iota y, defined by log z is equal to natural log absolute of z plus iota argument of z, is called complex logarithm. By using exponential notation, z is equal to r exponent iota theta. It means e power iota theta. Real part is equal to 0 and imaginary part, that is iota theta. We can write as log of z is equal to natural log absolute of z plus iota into theta plus 2 and pi, where n belong to 1, 2, 3, that is natural number up to so on. Next, principal value of complex logarithm. The complex function log defined by log z is equal to natural log absolute of z plus iota argument of z. By using exponential notation, z is equal to r e power iota theta. We can write as log of z is equal to natural log r plus iota theta. So option B is correct, that is log z is equal to log into absolute of z plus iota theta, which is the required solution. If you like my lecture, then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my YouTube lecture. Okay, Allah Hafiz.